Leave it, leave it, leave it.
Leave it. He won't get on her.
No, I didn't want him to poop on her.
She's gonna try to get it.
Oh my gosh! Sandy, look. Look at this.
Fish that's in there.
Look at this.
We'll throw it away. We'll throw it away afterwards.
Autumn's like, what are you doing? What? What are you doing?
Oh, stick your finger now.
He bites you. What is he doing, Autumn? What is that birdie doing?
That's perfect.
What's she doing?
She's just sitting there eating it.
Autumn, what is that?
She likes it.
Is a birdie eating your food?
That lady said she was going to send it to America's Funny Home Video.
Go get her beaky. Get her beaky.
Oh, Autumn!
Did you take that online?
Yes, I did.
They got it again.
Yes, I did. Oh my gosh.